global.com slash wait, slash tracking France or Netherlands. Try Netherlands slash country of application. Sample is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Then enter. And then it will shows here this one. Then automatically it will bring you to track application. Then enter your visa application status online. Then enter your reference number. Usually for Netherlands, start with NLD, which is the capital NLD slash location of your application city, which is sample is Jeddah if you are in Jeddah, or RUH if you are in Riyadh, or DMM if you are in the MAM. Then slash date of application sample is 2501 25 slash 0001 slash 01, then then your last name, which is Rocky. Then enter this one. It will show you the actual status for your application. So it will show invalid input because this is not the correct information. That's all. That's how you track your application online via VFS Global tracking application.